Captain Dollard, what's been happening at Albatross in the last 12 months?
Well, the main task at Albatross has been to train and work up the Skyhawk and Tracker squadrons for embarkation in the Melbourne, while Melbourne's been refitting at Garden Island.
What sort of training has this involved?
Well, the aircraft are new types. They're American aircraft, and this has required the study of American stores procedures and training procedures to get these aircraft operational. We had a lot of men go over to the United States for this type of training and to procure stores, and the year has been spent in putting all this background work into effect and getting the squadrons up to an operational standard to embark on the deck in Melbourne.
Captain Dollard, just how effective is the training here at Albatross when in effect the planes are training to land and take off from aircraft carriers?
Training on the ground can only go a certain extent. We can bring the air crew up to a pitch where, through intensive flight training, simulated deck landing training on the airstrip here, they get the nearest to the actual conditions of landing on a carrier that can be simulated. Of course, then the next step is the actual landings on the carrier, where they do a set series of practices, including what they call touch and go, touching the deck and going straight off without coming to a halt, culminating when the pilots have got the feel of the deck in a rest, stopping on the deck, and then, of course, catapulting. So the series of touch and goes, culminating in arrest and catapults, this goes on and on and on until the crews have achieved the necessary skill.
Well, has there been any date set for the planes to leave for the Melbourne?
No, not any particular date. They are now going through the embarkation phase, and the embarkation will be a drawn-out activity over a period of some weeks. They will be embarking in the next number of weeks.
And what happens at Albatross then? Will there be a slowing down in operations here?
We'll be able in Albatross to concentrate more fully, perhaps, on our other role, which is training of all types, training of air crew, training of maintenance personnel, training of aircraft handlers in the second line squadrons. The station is the permanent home for the second line squadrons. That is the same type of aircraft as go to the front line squadrons, and we have a constant and very active training program to keep us busy.